Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to manage your money during economic uncertainty. The economy can be unpredictable. One minute things are fine, the next minute everyone's talking about recessions and inflation. It can be scary, but you don't have to navigate this alone. I'll give you steps to protect yourself and your finances. Practical advice to build your financial security. Ready to take control of your money? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about your emergency fund. This is non-negotiable, people. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about having a safety net when life throws you a curveball. Imagine this: you lose your job or you get hit with a huge medical bill. Without an emergency fund, you're immediately in a stressful situation, maybe even forced to take on debt. But with a solid emergency fund, you can weather the storm without derailing your entire financial plan. Ideally, you want 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. Start small. Even $50 or $100 a month adds up. Cut back on unnecessary expenses and make saving a priority. Remember, this is your financial peace of mind. Okay, let's talk about cutting expenses. Now, I'm not talking about becoming a penny pincher and living a life devoid of any joy. This is about being smart with your money and cutting out the fluff. The things you don't really need and probably don't even care that much about. Think about it. Those daily lattes, the subscription boxes you never use, the impulse purchases you regret later. These small expenses add up, and in uncertain economic times, they can make a big difference. Take a look at your bank statements, identify areas where you can cut back, and redirect that money towards your financial goals. Could you cook at home more instead of ordering takeout? Downgrade your cable package? Find a more affordable gym membership? Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can put towards your financial security. Chapter 3. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, the power of diversification. Now let's talk about investing. I know it can seem intimidating, especially when the market is volatile. But here's the thing. Investing is crucial for building long-term wealth, especially during uncertain times. The key is diversification. Diversification simply means spreading your investments across different asset classes, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Think of it like this. If all your money is invested in one stock and that stock plummets, you're in trouble. But if your investments are spread out, if one area of the market takes a hit, the others can help cushion the blow. This is how you manage risk and protect your investments over the long term. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. By diversifying your portfolio and staying consistent with your investments, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. Chapter 4. Knowledge is power. Staying informed in a changing world. Look, I get it. Keeping up with the latest economic news can be about as exciting as watching paint dry. But here's the thing. Staying informed is crucial, especially during times of economic uncertainty. You don't need to become an economist overnight, but having a basic understanding of what's going on in the world can help you make more informed financial decisions. Read financial news websites, listen to podcasts, follow reputable financial experts. There are tons of resources available. The key is to find sources you trust and that explain things in a way you can understand. By staying informed, you'll be better equipped to navigate the ups and downs of the market and make smart choices for your money. Chapter 5. Don't be afraid to ask for help. The value of professional advice. Finally, let's talk about seeking professional advice. Listen, I know there's a lot of DIY financial advice out there, and while there's nothing wrong with educating yourself, sometimes it's worth it to bring in the experts. A certified financial advisor can help you create a personalized financial plan, navigate complex financial situations, and make sure you're on track to achieve your goals. Now, I know what you're thinking. Financial advisors are expensive, right? Well, not necessarily. There are tons of affordable options available, and the benefits of having a trusted professional in your corner can far outweigh the costs. Think of it as an investment in your financial future. Outrow navigating uncertainty, building stability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your finances. Remember, navigating economic uncertainty doesn't have to be scary. By taking control of your finances, building good habits, and making smart choices, You can weather any storm and come out stronger on the other side. Stay informed, stay proactive, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. The most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for things to get better or worse. Start building your financial security today. You've got this.